Are you tired of the daily grind? Do you feel like you're stuck in a never-ending cycle of work with no end in sight? Do you dream of financial freedom? Imagine a life where you don't have to worry about bills or financial constraints. Well, John Thornhill's Ambassador Program can help. This program is designed to guide you step by step. This program is your ticket to escaping the 9-to-5 and achieving financial independence. Picture yourself breaking free from the monotony of a regular job. Imagine earning $200 or more each day passively. Yes, you heard that right. Earning money while you sleep or enjoy your day. With the Ambassador Program, this dream can become your reality. It's not just a fantasy, it's a tangible goal you can achieve. John Thornhill, a successful online entrepreneur, has created a proven system. His expertise and experience are the backbone of this program. This system helps people like you build profitable online businesses. It's a comprehensive approach that covers all aspects of online entrepreneurship. The Ambassador Program provides all the tools and resources you need to succeed. From marketing strategies to technical support, everything is included. No prior experience is necessary. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, this program is tailored to meet your needs. If you're ready to take control of your financial future, keep reading. This is your opportunity to make a significant change. This program could change your life. It's more than just a course. It's a life-changing opportunity. This is your chance to join a community of successful entrepreneurs. Network, learn, and grow with like-minded individuals. The Ambassador Program provides you with everything you need to start seeing results. Success is within your reach. Say goodbye to your boss and hello to financial freedom. Take the first step towards a brighter, more prosperous future today. The key to the Ambassador Program's success is automation, a seamless integration of technology and strategy. Imagine a sales machine working tirelessly for you, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, without ever needing a break. This program makes that a reality, turning your business into a well-oiled, automated powerhouse. With its automated features, you can generate income even while you sleep, ensuring a steady stream of revenue. The program handles everything for you. This includes product creation, sales copywriting, advertising, and even customer support, all on autopilot. You don't need to be a marketing guru or a tech whiz. The system is designed for ease of use. The Ambassador Program takes care of the heavy lifting, managing the workload efficiently. This automation frees up your time and energy, allowing you to focus on other important aspects of your life. You can focus on the things you love, whether it's a hobby or simply relaxing. Spend more time with family and friends. Pursue your passions. The possibilities are endless. Enjoy the freedom and flexibility that come with automated success. The Ambassador Program doesn't just automate your business, it also equips you with a comprehensive set of tools and resources. These tools are designed to maximize your earning potential. You'll receive a done-for-you webinar funnel. This funnel is valued at $10,000 and is proven to drive high-ticket sales. You'll also get a custom-built JV page, valued at $5,000, to recruit affiliates and expand your reach. But that's not all. You'll also benefit from 99 days of done-for-you email promotions, traffic trifecta training, and lifetime support from an expert team. The program provides you with everything you need to build a thriving online business. Section 4. They did it, so can you. Inspiring success stories.
Don't just take our word for it. Listen to the voices of those who have walked this path before you.
The Ambassador Program boasts countless success stories, each one more inspiring than the last. People from all walks of life have used this program to achieve financial freedom and transform their lives.
Take Steve King, for example. He was tired of his 9-to-5 job and felt stuck in a rut. After joining the Ambassador Program, Steve now enjoys playing golf and living life on his terms, free from the daily grind.
Or look at Dan Sumner. He now runs multiple successful online businesses, thanks to John's program, and has achieved financial independence.
These are just a few of the many inspiring stories that highlight the program's impact. The Ambassador Program has helped thousands of people achieve their financial goals and dreams. You could be next.
Section 5. Your investment secured. The 365-day guarantee. John Thornhill is so confident in his program that he offers an unprecedented 365-day money-back guarantee. That's right, you have a full year to try out the program and see results. If you put in the work and aren't satisfied with your progress, you can request a full refund. No questions asked. This guarantee demonstrates John's commitment to your success. With such a strong guarantee, there's no risk involved. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. Take the first step towards financial freedom today. Section 6. Don't wait, act now, your future awaits. The Ambassador Program offers a life-changing opportunity. You can break free from the shackles of traditional employment and achieve true financial freedom, but you have to take action. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Visit the Ambassador Program website today and learn more. Your future self will thank you. Start building the life you deserve. Join the Ambassador Program and unlock your full earning potential. The time for change is now. Click the link below this video to get immediate access to the Ambassador Program.